Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to unbox something small but mighty. This is the Neewer, I've always pronounced it Neewer, quick release plate that works with the Arca Swiss as well as the Peak Design Capture version 3 camera clip. And I do have a Peak Design camera clip that I am going to be testing this out on because I do have a job coming up, or I should say a shoot coming up, that I'm going to need this. So let's see what's in the box and what they send you. Ooh, we got another Allen wrench. Got tons of those, but you can always use another one, I guess. We got... oh, there's the camera mount plate. Wait a minute. Oh, it came with two. Awesome, that's even better yet. Even a better deal. Now, the reason why I got the Neewer is at the time that I needed these, the Peak Design company was not making their plates. And it said that they had no idea when they were going to get these plates back into production, at least the Peak Design version. So I figured I'm going to try these. And they were pretty much the right price. And test them out. Okay. Oh, that's neat. It does have the screw in at the bottom, that you don't need any tools. I like that. It does have a little mini instruction manual, which is in multiple different languages. Pretty cool. But essentially pretty much says, screw this into the bottom and then put it on your quick release pads. All right, let's test this out. Okay, here I have my Action 4, and I have a quick release plate that's only for Argus. And you can kind of see how the bottom has these little extra kind of detents in them. That is for the Peak Design. But we're going to take out the old Argus plate, put on the Peak Design plate, attach the Action 4 to that plate through the GoPro adapter that I just put the plate on. And then let's see if this thing clips right into the Peak Design clip. Now here I have the Spica bag that I converted into my camera go bag. And here's my Peak Design clip. Now it should just go right in there. Oops. And it does. It clips right in there, and it's pretty sturdy. And then should be able to do the release mechanism. Awesome. See if it does it sideways. It does. So this is the first one I've seen that actually does both. I like it. So front ways and sideways. Because a lot of the other ones that say Peak Design and quick release, Arca Swiss, you have to turn it one way for Peak Design and another way for Arca Swiss, but not this one. I like this one much better. And now let's see if it actually does fit on a quick release plate. And F38. Ooh, it does. Success. Well, I hope you found that interesting. I know I did. That this base does work as advertised and better than I thought. So as always, have a great day.